Now I would like to request Muhammad Mizanur Rahman come forward and deliver your speech. Muhammad Mizanur Rahman will deliver his speech in English. Fazil, first year. Muhammad Mizanur Rahman.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope that you are well by the grace of Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Thank you, my honorable, respectable teacher, for giving me the chance to tell something about today's topic. Hello, dear audience. You know our today's topic is about Jamia Ahmadiyya Sunni Aliyah Madrasa. It's an honor to speak before you today about one of the most prestigious and institution, Jamia Ahmadiyya Sunni Aliyah Madrasa, located in the heart of Chittagong in the Bangladesh, founded with the aim of imparting traditional Islamic education in Islamic international madrasa. Jamia Ahmadiyya Sunni Aliyah Madrasa was established on the principle of Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat, adhering to Imam Muhammad Raza Fazil Balabi Rahmatullahi Alayhi. It's an speaking and listening and literature. Jamia Ahmadiyya Sunni Aliyah Madrasa is not just a campus, it's an spiritual goodness. The madrasa environment communication. That's all about today's topic. Thank you all for listening to me with patience.